Jatugo Salim Taib mawuok e klab mar Mombasa Golf Club ne obedo jaloch e piem mar golf mane ochan gi riwruog jotugo mawuok e dhood Akamba midendo ni Kambasam Golf Tournament. Salim ne obedo jaloch makanyakla bang' yudo points 49 ka Eliud Bet to ne obedo jaloch korka piem mar joma chuo bang' yudo points 43 kiluwe gi Danson Muteri mano yudo points 40. Wanjiku Kinyeru ne obedo jaloch e kidieny mar Wakeini kano yudo points 37 kiluwe kod Gladys Mueni mano yudo points 35 e tukego mane otimore e giko dirani. Tukego no yuayo jotugo maromo 120.
The tournament has attracted about 120 participants. Well, the reason for this is because we want to promote Kamba culture by way of hosting this tournament here, which brings together players from Mombasa, from the coast region and upcountry, including our sister club, Machakos.
The main theme of the tournament is to bring the culture of Kamba, to remember it and to practice it, because not many people have been born into the mashinani, but we bring it as an annual event to